Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how to check companies reviews on Indeed. So guys, if you are looking for a job in any specific company and you want to do job there and you think that company is very going to be very beneficial for you and the job is very desirable for you, so before applying in any specific company where you want to do job, you must have to check company employee reviews, and then you can get the idea of that company's environment, and you can apply easily without any hesitation. So guys, this is the Indeed website. On the top of the screen here you can see company reviews. You have to click on it, and as you can see there are so many companies, so many people wrote their experience with these companies. So you can go with these suggestions, and if you are trying to do a job any specific company, then you can write the company name over here, and then you can read the reviews about that company. So if I go with the company where I want to do job, so I will write here the company name. Okay, now I am writing the company name over here. This is the company, and as you can see guys, if I scroll down over here, so I can read all about the company over here, and these are the reviews of those people who are working over here, or uh, they work over here with their good experience in this company. So here you can read all about this company, and here you can see the reviews, and you can see all the detailed reviews over here, and this is the overall rating of this company. So guys, this is the very little thing, but it can be very beneficial for you to do job in any company. Just read carefully before applying for a job in any company, and must read their company's employees reviews. Then you can get the idea for the environment where you can do work or not. So guys, this is how to see company reviews on Indeed. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you so much. Good luck.